We know you want to go above and beyond to make sure to create the safest possible environment for your facility. Well, at GMI, we feel the same way about our facility and our people. As an essential service provider, our facilities have been open since the beginning of the pandemic, and this challenge has felt very daunting. Not only do we want to keep our people safe, we also want to give them peace of mind as they come back to work. We just need to figure out how. Our expert health and safety team implemented, tested, and perfected a highly successful Disinfect and Protect program. We've been using it since the beginning of the outbreak. This special program has kept our people safe while also providing them a sense of security and peace of mind as they're back working in our office. This Disinfect and Protect program has been so successful for us and our people in our facilities that we've been working hard to make sure that we can offer it to you as well. The Disinfect and Protect program is made up of 3 steps, and here's how it works. Step 1, we wipe, clean, and disinfect. This is the basic building block of the program. We need to regularly clean and disinfect all touch surfaces. This is the standard that we're already providing with our cleaning program. In addition to the touch surfaces, we wanted to make sure that all surfaces were disinfected. So we added step 2, and step 2 is electrostatic spraying. This allows us to disinfect all surfaces, not just the touch surfaces. The sprayer takes an electrostatic charge combined with cleaning disinfection chemicals and seeks out any area that has not been disinfected. If you've ever felt static electricity on your clothes or your hair, you know how powerful it is. Imagine the force of nature combining with cleaning technology to disinfect every square inch of your facility. Step 3, we apply an antimicrobial protectant. Now the surface has been thoroughly cleaned and disinfected. You want to keep it disinfected for as long as possible. As we all know, there are many antimicrobial products in the marketplace. Through a breakthrough in cleaning technology, we now have the ability to make any surface in the facility antimicrobial. This keeps the surfaces safe all day versus only after they've been cleaned. The 3 steps combined together create a powerful result. We would love to partner with you and ensure your people are taken care of in the best possible way. If you'd like to learn more about this special program, please reach out to us today. Thank you so much. Stay safe.